Hello, good morning everyone. So today we are going to discuss the first fundamental operation of integers, that is addition. But before we will start, kindly open your camera for your attendance. Okay, Marcos, Jeneline, please open your camera. So we are 57, including myself. So very good, perfect attendance. So are you ready for our lesson for today? Okay, so our lesson for today is all about addition of integers. So these are the objectives to be obtained. First, we have to add integers using different approaches. And second, you have to solve problems involving addition of integers. Okay, first we will define what is a number line. A number line is a line on which numbers are marked with intervals, and it also used to illustrate simple numerical operation like addition. So we have vertical number line, we also have horizontal number line. And we will use the horizontal number line karon. So, take note na ang 0, from the right of 0 are positive integers and to the left of 0 are negative integers. So, let us have example number 1. Use the number line to find the sum of positive 6 and positive 5. Diba? Kung walay sign ang integers, that is positive. So, positive 6 and positive 5. So, on the number line starts with positive 6. So, since 5 is positive, so we have to move 5 units to the right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, at what point does it stop? So, it stops with positive 11. So, therefore, positive 6 plus positive 5, that is positive 11. Okay, do you understand? Okay, let us proceed to number 2. So again, use the number line to find the sum of positive 7 and negative 3. Again, we will start with positive 7. So since 3 is negative, so we have to move 3 units going to the left. Okay, so from positive 7, so 1, 2, 3. So it stops with positive 4. So therefore, we have positive 7 plus negative 3, that is positive 4. Okay, so understand? Okay, let us have example number 3. Use the number line to find the sum of negative 2 and negative 4. So, on the number line, we will start with negative 2. So, from negative 2, we have to move 4 units going to the left. It is because 4 is negative. So, from negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, meaning, the answer is negative 6. Okay, very good. So, let us proceed to another approach in finding the sum of integers. So, this time, we will assign one tile as integer 1 and the second tile represents integer negative 1. And positive 1 and negative 1 represents 0. If you combine positive 1 and negative 1, that is 0. Recall that a number and its negative cancel each other under the operation of addition. So that is, if you have positive 1 plus negative 1, that is 0. If you have negative 4 plus positive 4 is also 0. And positive 29 plus negative 29, that is equal to 0. Okay, so let us have example number 1. Positive 4 plus positive 5. So take note, you have the same sign. So we have positive 4. So we have 4 tiles, and we have also 5 positive tiles. So since they have the same positive, so we have to add. So 4 tiles plus 5 tiles, and that is equal to 9 tiles. So therefore 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9. Okay, let us have example number 2. Positive 6 plus negative 5. Okay, take note that they have these different signs. So we have 6 positive tiles, and we also have 5 negative tiles. So take note, positive, okay, isa ka tile nga positive plus negative nga tiles, 1 tile, so that is equal to 0. 0, 0, 0. So what is left? It's only 1 positive tile. Kaya na-cancel naman sila. So, therefore, positive 6 plus negative 5, that is equal to positive 1. Okay, let us proceed to example 2. Negative 1 plus negative 3. So, we have isa ka negative nga tile and another 3 negative tiles. So, they have the same sign, di ba? So, wala tayong makancel. So, therefore, 1 negative tiles plus 3 negative tiles, and that is negative 4. Kay puros man sila negative. Okay. Based from the two approaches that we have learned in finding the sum of two integers, we will sing this song. Are you familiar with the nursery song, Row, row, row your boat? Okay, so let us sing. Let us sing it together. Okay. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Okay, so atong i-apply na sa ato ang rules in adding integers. Okay, so again, same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Take the sign of the larger number, then it will be exact. Okay, one more time. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Take the sign of the larger number, then it will be exact. So meaning, if they have the same signs, you have to add its positive equivalence and keep the sign. But if they have different sign, subtract the absolute value of the smaller number from the absolute value of the bigger number, then take the sign of the larger number. Doing that, then your answer will be exact. Okay, so always remember that one. So let us have exercises. Okay, let us have number 1. Negative 2 plus negative 5. Take note that the two integers have the same sign. So according to our song, same sign, you have to add. Then keep the sign. So 2 plus 5, that is 7. So keep the sign which is negative. Okay, so negative 7. Number 2. Positive 10 plus positive 4. Again, they have the same sign. So what will you do? Add the two integers, which is 14. Then keep the sign, which is positive. So positive 14. Now, number 3. Positive 8 plus negative 3. Okay, what do you observe? They have different signs. So what will you do? Different signs, subtract. Okay, so you have to subtract. 8 minus 3, that is 5. Then copy the sign of the bigger number, and the bigger number is 8, which is positive. So therefore, your answer is positive 5. Okay, number 4. Positive 4 plus negative 10. So they have different sign, positive 4 and negative 10. So what will you do? Subtract. Okay, subtract its absolute value. So you have 10 minus 4, that is 6. So take the sign of the larger number. So the larger number is 10, and that is negative 6. Okay, very good. Now, the last number, negative 20 plus negative 10 plus positive 5. So, notice that 20 and 10 have the same sign. So, you have to add that one. So, negative 20 plus negative 10, same sign, add and keep. That is negative 30. And negative 30 added to positive 5. So, di na pareha ilang sign. So, what will you do? Subtract. Okay. So, 30 minus 5, that is 25. And the larger number is 25, which is negative. So, you have to take the sign. So, of 25, that is negative 25. Okay. Are there any question? Okay, let us apply your knowledge in adding integers for a problem solving. Okay, let us have number 1. Gina Moss charged 3,572 pesos of her groceries on her credit card. Find her balance after she made a payment of 2,530 pesos. So, what is being asked in the problem? Ang iyang balance after nibayad siya. So, the 3,572 is positive. Kay ang 2,530 is negative since nibayad man siya. So, dili na pareha iyang sign. So, therefore, you have to subtract 3,572 minus 2,530. So, the sum is 1,040 pesos. Okay. So, let us now have a short quiz. Okay. Do you have any question? So, this time, we will have a short quiz. Okay. Find the sum of the following. So, get a piece of paper. Then, answer numbers 1 to 5. So, I'll give you 5 minutes to answer that one. Dayon, take a picture of it. Then, send it to our GC. Okay, are you done? Don't forget ha, i-send niyo sa GC. Okay. For your assignment, copy the problem and answer it. Then check your GC for your submission bin. Okay, any question? The deadline will be tomorrow. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. If you have questions or inquiries, PM me in our GC or you can send me an email. Thank you. Goodbye.